Hi, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this story. For our reading activity today, we're actually going to use our ears and be really good listeners, okay? So the best way to be a good reader is to first be a really good listener, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna say some sounds, and if you hear the sound, I want you to raise your hand as high as you can, okay? And if you don't hear the sound, then don't raise your hand. But if you do, I wanna see your hand raised nice and high, okay? We're gonna do 6 different sounds. So if you hear them, raise your hand. Are you ready? All right, the first one, and you have these here too. If you wanna look at these yourself as I'm going through them to hear how these sounds are, you can. I have this on your Class Dojo site, all right? Ready? Ah. Let me do that one more time. Ah. Did you raise your hand? Did you hear me? Awesome job. All right, the next one. Ooh. Let's do that one more time. Ooh. Raise those hands nice and high if you hear it. Next one, ready? One more time. All right, good job. Next one. One more time. Good job, boys and girls. All right, 2 more. Ready? E. One more time. E. Good job. I want to see your hands nice and high. Last one. Ready? Shh. Awesome job, boys and girls. So if you can see, those are the sounds that I was making. So we did ah, ooh, e, and shh. Good job, boys and girls. Stay tuned. We're going to do a fun math activity. I'll see you then. Bye.